Hi, welcome back to Too Many Mods Garage. In this episode, I'm going to show you a video of my EMP Rear Seat Delete kit being put together. I'll be putting this on the Whippled Smurf as soon as I get it back from Relentless Performance this week. I'm also going to show you what all comes with this, as well as stop by Relentless Performance to show you the progress thus far. I'm sorry about my lack of posting videos lately. My car's been at Relentless Performance for almost 2 months now, getting finished up. The holidays really slowed everything down, making everything take a lot longer than what it should have taken. I'll be back with you in a few minutes, but for now, let's watch the guys from EMP install this Whippled Smurf sticker onto the rear seat delete panel.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and stop videoing. Mom and Lauren will be so proud of us for remembered video. Definitely don't want to mess this up. And if you skip and go across and scratch the seat delete, that would be terrible. That was good.
All right, let's go ahead and unbox this. I got this last week. My car's still at Relentless Performance. I should get that back this week. This is an EMP Rear Seat Delete. If you are with me this long into the video, I guess you already know what it looks like, but I'll go ahead and unbox it anyway. The last part of this video, I'm going to make an install video, but I can't do that obviously until I get my car back. Yeah, I'm ready to get the car back and go to the track, start racing it. I'm thinking it should be quite a bit faster without a slipping transmission. Be careful not to cut it. Yeah, this rear seat delete looked really nice in the video that they sent me. I'm applying the vinyl to it. Here it is. Whippled Smurf. That'll be on the where the back seat is. The back of it, it's got like this carpet on it. Looks real nice. It'll look nice in the trunk. That's what you'll see when you open the trunk. Let's put this all away so I don't mess it up. The little EMP thing goes at the top of it. Here's the hardware. Whipple wing nuts, clips. This is the bottom of the rear seat delete. Goes on the floor. The other thing I was going to do, once I have the seats up, I bought some Dynamat. This is the trunk kit. It comes with 20 square feet of noise reduction material. Everybody knows what Dynamat looks like, so I'm not going to take it out of there. Here's a noise and heat barrier. We'll put this, it's like real thick foam. It's insulated. It'll keep out the sound. That's mainly what I want. Hopefully keep out some of that gear whine that I'm getting because I got solid bushings on my differential. Okay, that's about all I got to show you for now. So far, Wesley has put in the rear and front TBM XS3s, taken out the 355 iron housing differential. He swapped in the aluminum housing 315 differential housing. He started installing the Stage 3 RSA 10R80 transmission. Not much left to do. I'll be back soon with more content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Take care. See you soon.